Listen, I will run. They will come after me. You run to the guardhouse. They won't see you. Are you crazy, man? They are going to kill you. These kids would never beat me in a race. You grab the radio from the grey cabinet. I will lose them and grab my spare radio from the car. Okay, just promise me one thing. Don't die, man. Die? Not today, my friend. You still owe me that beer. Remember? Ah, sure. Good luck. Good luck to both of us. Let's go.
A few moments later.